Hello guys, hope you are all keeping safe. If you want to know how we made those beautiful cupcake, all you have to do is stay tuned and watch the video up to the end. Me and the girls really have fun baking over this third lockdown, and then we thought it would be nice to film it and to share with the world so that all the kids can do it and have fun while staying at home. So for that, all you need is some butter, sugar, flour, and eggs. And then to save some time, I've already mixed off camera the butter, the sugar, the flours, and the eggs so that we can go straight to the most exciting part. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna divide my dough into 4 equal sizes to make the 4 different kind of cookies I'm planning to do. And from here, the girls are going to take over. Enjoy.
Now we're going to be scooping some coconut.
So now we are making coconut cookies. We've got our first batch of butter. We're going to add 60 grams of coconut. Yeah.
And this one.
Oh, so that's
everything from that.
60 grams of coconut flour.
Quick maths.
Then the next one, we need 40
it has
grams.
A seal, Mama.
We need 40 grams of
Flour.
normal flour.
So should I?
40 grams of normal flour. So then you do this twice. So now you need to do is now mix the whole, and this is our first batch ready.
Oh, be careful. Oh, now it's turning into cookie dough. My stir so quick. You stir quicker than my eyes can handle.
Well done, Gabrielle.
Master.
Well done, princess. Mommy's going to take over from here. That's what the texture you need.
Nice. French nice. Flour on the plane. She's mixing with her hand. The dough is getting mixed. It's getting beat up.
So our first cookie dough is ready. It needs to go in the fridge for half an hour.
30 minutes. So now we're making some chocolate cookies. We have to add 2 scoops of this.
So we're gonna use 200 grams
milligrams
of chocolate.
I knew that. So 100 milliliters.
100 grams, yeah, of flour.
Yeah.
And mix. Smell chocolate.
A lot of chocolate. And hazelnut. You can smell every single ingredient that's inside that makes chocolate inside here. It's very, very strong.
The next cookies that we're gonna make some vanilla lemon cookies. This is Mommy's favorite. We need some lemon zest, and
Everybody's
some
favorite.
real lemon fruit. You need some lemon extract, some vanilla extract, and some fake lemon, like I call it. So then it's gonna grab the third batch of butter. Put it in the mixing bowl.
watching football.
She's watching football. I can 18 months years old watch football.
Actually, I'm here.
There she is. And she's gone again. So what you need to put first, you need to put
The flour.
2 grams, 2 cups of this.
I must have seen what's in the camera.
So 200,
I'm playing with my sister. Bye!
Bye.
200 milliliters, liters, whatever.
Whatever.
200 ml.
Go, Gabrielle.
Let me see.
There.
There you go. Then you add the lemon extract and the lemon juice.
So, lemon extra.
Press like you have strength.
I do gymnastics. Well, I did before this quarantine. And I've not been doing gymnastics since.
Actually,
I
I know
know.
gymnastics.
I know. So what's Gabrielle
I
doing?
think I've
then, yeah?
lost a lot of skills.
So we're gonna add 2 cups of vanilla extract.
Yeah. 1
Mhm.
and you can smell the lemon in this. 2 chef pour
The lemon or the vanilla.
vanilla.
Right, can you put the lemon extract now?
1 and 2. This one's more liquidy. My beautiful face.
What is she doing?
I'm a fashionista. I don't. Oh my gosh.
Go on, mix. So, are we done now mixing the bowl? So what do we need to do? The same thing that we did previously.
Use our hand.
You use our hand, you get the batter out of the mixing bowl, and you make it,
You know what she.
you know what I mean. While she's doing it, Mommy's gonna sprinkle a little bit of flour. And then, as previously, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of flour in here. Mixing it with the hand.
It's like making slime.
Like making slime.
It's
Yeah,
just not stretchy.
You're having fun.
Yeah.
I know. You like mixing stuff with your hand. Are you happy with it?
Yeah.
There you go. So, there you go. It goes in the bowl.
Roll it in.
It says for
That one has a lot.
half an hour.
Ha.
And then...
So now you have to add the.
So what are we making now? What cookie are we
We're
making?
making a red.
Cookies. So we're gonna use
red
the
plain cookie.
red plain cookie. So we need
2
cups of that.
200 ml.
Milliliters. Or 200 grams.
Or else the flour is gonna be the one that changes color like after biscuit.
Yay! We have our beautiful Gabrielle back on the scene. She was looking after the little one. She wanna do the red cookie dough. So what are you doing, princess? You're gonna add the food coloring?
Instead of
Yeah, just
Don't,
pour it. Just pour it like that.
Yeah, but don't put too much.
Just pour it. I'll tell you when to stop because we really need the rich.
Stop!
No, stop, Cohen. I'm saying stop. Stop now. Stop.
It's me.
And we need the rich red color. Wow, it's gonna have a beautiful red.
It's like blood just on the bowl. Oh my goodness.
Our fourth and final.
And by the way, Gabrielle has left the show again.
She's a busy woman. Just add extra flour just to make it, you know what I mean, a bit more cookie dough.
Mommy is the chef. The chef. A chef.
So our final cookie dough is,
Look how vibrant that is. Vibrant orange. I want that orange too.
so
That's the exciting part.
what we start in the most exciting part for everyone. What are you doing now?
Cutting the
We're using the Christmas
cookie cutter.
Christmas cookie cutter. So you use this part. Gabriel use this part. Make sure you go closer to the edge as much as possible because you don't want to waste the dough. And you press hard.